Here we are once again to educate ourselves on diode and biasing. What is diode? A diode is also a semiconductor. A diode is formed from the combination of p-type semiconductor and n-type semiconductor together to form a single semiconductor called junction diode, that is PN junction diode. While P is positive terminal of the diode and N is the negative terminal of the semiconductor. Therefore, it's called PN semiconductor. In biasing semiconductor, diode, PN diode, this is for forward biasing. In forward biasing, the positive terminal of a PN junction diode is connected to a positive terminal of a voltage supply, that is battery, while the negative terminal of a PN diode is connected to the negative supply of voltage source. Now, if the terminal or the arrangement are in this form, the holes will have freedom to move from its original position, they migrate to the electron, and then electron as well, they will come to the host, then they migrate, they combine together, thereby current will flow. Current flow in the circuit. The current will flow in the circuit. That is forward bias. In forward bias of a diode, there is flow of current in the circuit. In reverse bias, there is no flow of current in the circuit. Why? Because we made current to flow in opposite direction of field. Therefore, there will not be flow of current. This arrangement shows that when the negative terminal, the positive terminal is connected to the negative terminal of a battery and positive is connected to the negative, electron will force to move to the left hand, while the holes will force to move to the left hand, and then the electron will also force to move to the right hand. Therefore, they find themselves in a region called depletion region. What is depletion region? A depletion region is a region that acts as an insulating or insulation to the flow of current. Therefore, in the depletion region, there is no flow of current. It inhibits electron and holes to come together, and when the electron and holes are not coming together, there will not be flow of current in the circuit. The arrangement above is called reverse bias of diode. Okay. Then, a PN junction diode is very useful to us, especially in electronics. What are we going to use PN diode for, or what are the uses or the application of PN diode? PN diode is used as a rectifier. It can be used as a rectifier in conversion of DC to, in conversion of AC to DC, in conversion of AC to, in conversion of AC to DC. It also can be used as what? As a signal in communication in mixer. Therefore, xenon diode also is one of another type of junction diode. Xenon diode can also be used as a voltage regulator. And xenon diode, don't forget, that can work in both reverse and forward bias.